Jamaica people and all until them come in. You're under Babylon.
The police has issued that no permit has been given for the demonstration. Can you respond to that?
Sure, we don't need a permit to walk in Jamaica.
Why are you here today?
We're here to protect the rights and freedoms of Jamaicans because every Jamaican deserves the right to be free, to move, to speak, and to choose. So we don't want a Jamaica where you cannot choose what goes into your body. We don't want a Jamaica where you cannot be free to walk around. So our freedoms and rights are being trampled. The government is trying their darnest best to force us into something, and we will not allow the Jamaican people to be forced into anything. We have the right to choose, and we have not given up that right, and we'll never give up that right.